Hey everyone, I'm taking a little break. So for this video, I partnered up with YouTuber Saint Andrewism to showcase one of his amazing videos. After you give this video a watch, definitely make sure to head over to Saint Andrewism's channel and subscribe.
You keep me down to earth.
We are in the process of climate collapse. Forests are being leveled, fires are raging, floods destroying homes, species are dying out, hurricanes are getting worse, and profits continue to line the pockets of those above us. We already know who's responsible. We understand that the capitalist system incentivizes the destruction of our future. This video merely seeks to provide just one answer to the question of what we can do about our crisis of crises. It's a massive undertaking, but we must work together to protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. We cannot rely on our governments to take care of us, and we cannot rely on corporations to change their ways. We must unite and build a better society in the shell of the old. The tactic I'm about to outline is just one part of our strategy to prepare our communities for the next chapter of humanity. Let's talk permablitzing. Permablitz is a contraction of permaculture and blitz. Permaculture is a design system based on sustainable living, and blitz is the German word for lightning strike, which is basically what permablitzing is like. A permablitz is a quick, focused, and organized application of energy by a community to transform a space within a day to implement a permaculture system. As far as I can tell, the permablitzing movement got its start in Australia, though it has expanded to New Zealand, Canada, Uganda, Hong Kong, Turkey, Italy, Portugal, Morocco, and Hawaii. Through permaculture, and by extension permablitzing, you can learn about horticulture, animal husbandry, land surveillance, systems thinking, beekeeping, composting, recycling, carpentry, plumbing, heavy machinery operation, mechanics, forestry, food preservation, cooking, invasive species management, plant breeding, facilitating genetic diversity, mitigating and adapting to climate disruptions, managing waste and water, and developing alternative energy. And that's not all. You can also learn about biology, the study of living organisms, ecology, the study of relationships between environments and organisms, geology, the study of the Earth's processes, geography, the study of human interaction with the Earth's properties, pedology, the study of soil, hydrology, the study of water systems, mycology, the study of fungi, herbalism, the study of plant medicine, vermiculture, the cultivation of earthworms, aquaculture, the cultivation of fresh and saltwater species, hydroponics, the cultivation of plants without soil, and aquaponics, the cultivation of hydroponic plants within an aquaculture system. You can gain a lot of knowledge by studying the indigenous practices of your region too. And that's not even mentioning the experience you'll gain in organizing, movement building, facilitating groups, consulting, drafting, teaching, managing conflict, developing alternative economics, advocating social justice, and handling legal issues. Permablitzes are a great space to radicalize and be radicalized, to educate and be educated. You can learn about permaculture and gardening, build community networks, meet passionate people, share some good food, exercise, and have lots of fun. Permablitzes are usually planned or assisted by someone with a certificate in permaculture design, which you can get online. In fact, this playlist by Oregon State University has all the information you need to get started. Link is in the description. Permablitzers usually establish edible, sustainable garden havens in backyards, but permablitzing can also be used to build free, open gardens for the whole community. Look out for any empty lots in your neighborhood and make them beneficial for all. Permablitz networks run on mutual aid. When you contribute to the backyards of others, others will contribute to your backyard too. Supplies come from the network as well. Every member can volunteer a little something, whether it be seeds, soil, wood, compost, newspapers, saplings, chickens, or expertise. Everyone is welcome, no matter their level of knowledge or physical ability. And if you've never done any gardening or organizing before, a permablitz is a great place to begin. But how do you start permablitzing? Well, first you have to be connected with people. If there isn't a permablitzing group in your community, then start one. Or move into an existing leftist or environmentalist group and work with them to establish the full autonomy of the community. You can work with any size, but the more the merrier. Try to get as many people involved as possible. Pick a starting location, whether it be a backyard or an empty lot, and set a day for the permablitz. get everyone's consensus, delegate who's bringing what and who's doing what, and get up bright and early on the day to get started. There's all sorts of jobs to be done, from moving soil, manure and compost, to mulching, to planting trees and saplings, installing rain collectors, pruning and weeding, construction work like raised beds, compost bins, chicken coop or bug hotels, and digging irrigation systems. Throughout the day, skill shares and mini workshops can take place, both formal and informal. Skill shares can teach things like how to plant seeds, prune fruit trees, set up compost systems, use tools, create planters or raised beds, etc. And many workshops can explain the elements of permaculture design, like the benefits of raised beds, no-dig garden systems, types of edible plants, how composting works, and lots of other stuff. And of course, the host or a group of volunteers should pitch in to provide lunch for everyone. Remember, the goal is to complete a fully sustainable permaculture garden by the end of the day, but don't try to bite off more than you can chew. Be realistic with your goals considering the amount of volunteers you've got to work with. Hopefully by evening, everyone can take a step back and admire the transformation. Permablitz complete. For more information, check out permablitz.net, as well as the playlist I mentioned earlier. Best of luck. Permablitzing alone won't be enough, but it's a start. A better world is possible, and you can help create it. Peace.
If you're interested in watching more videos like this, head over to Saint Andrewism's YouTube channel using the link in the description or comment section. Andrew has a ton of great content ranging from the history of Black anarchism to the tyranny of time to a whole lot about solarpunk. I highly recommend heading over there and educating yourself on all of those topics. Otherwise, if you've done all that already, then I'll see you in 2 weeks.